Hi, we're Todd and Louise Dickson, and we're going to be teaching a basic belly roll workshop. We'll teach the basic, and then we'll show you a couple of variations of the basic belly roll step.
First thing we'll do is demonstrate it to music, and then we'll teach it, and then we'll break it down in much detail.
We hope you enjoy this step. This basic belly roll step, and we're going to break it down now for you. It'll be in 3 sections. We have just the basic step, and then we'll show you a turning variation and then a moving variation. It's lots of fun. We hope you enjoy it. So we'll start with the basic step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Then he moves me to a cuddle position. 5, 6, I step around, touch, step, 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 touch, step, step, step. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and a tuck turn out, 3 and 4, 5, 6. The second section of variation of this belly roll step is to do it turning. So we'll start with the basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4. He's going to take me to a cuddle position like he did before. 4, 5, 6, touch, step, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making quarter turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and an underarm turn, 3 and 4, 5, 6. That's the second variation, turning belly roll. The third section of this is moving. So we're going to start the same way every time, and you can see that you can flow in one to the next, or you can do these separately. Ready, basic, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 to the cuddle position, 3 and 4, 5, 6, touch, step, we're going to walk, walk, touch, step, walk, touch, step, walk. Now we're going to change directions. Walk, touch, step, walk, touch, step, walk, touch, step, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and another underarm turn back into our regular dance position. I want to add that we're just doing very basic on this. You could make this very sensual. Touch, step, and then you can wiggle down, touch, step, wiggle down, or other variations. So I hope you'll have fun with the step. What we want to do now now is to break down the footwork for you. So once you have the footwork, you can put it all together. So you can practice this, do it over and over, run the video back, watch it again. We're going to turn around so you can see what we're doing with our feet on the basic belly roll. So it's going to be touch, step, 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 touch, step, 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 touch, step, 3 and 4, 5, 6. I want to count that for you. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So when you're dancing it, it looks like this. We're not going to go to the position. Just watch our feet. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I hope that helps. So to take that footwork, using exactly the same steps, exactly the same count, you can turn it into a turning step. So this is what we do. After Todd's taken me into a cuddle position, then when he brings me out, it's the touch, step, and then on the 2 steps, we make a quarter turn. Step, step. And then we're ready for touch, step, quarter turn. Touch, step, quarter turn. Touch, step, quarter turn. And then we finish it, step, 3 and 4, 5, 6, into an underarm turn to get me out of the step, and into another fun step. The third variation that we wanted to show you is the moving section. And this is very similar to what you've already done, turning, except instead of making the quarter turns, you move. So it looks like this. Todd's going to do the basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. He's going to bring me to a cuddle, 3 and 4, 5, 6 on my touch. I know I'm going to go backwards. He's going to go forward. Touch, step. We're going to move on it. Walk. Touch, step. Walk. Touch, step. Walk. Now we're going to change directions. Touch, step, walk, touch, step, wiggle, touch, step, walk, ending, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2 underarm, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So that gives you 3 ways to move with this belly roll step. And you can add onto it or make any combination that you want to with the step. Do you want to say anything?
It's a very fun step. It's one you can use in many different situations. You can, like we just did, come straight into a cuddle. You can do it out of a pivot. There's many times you can do this belly roll step, and it's a lot of fun.
We hope you learned the belly roll. Thanks for joining us.